participant. It's a great honor for me to join in this English speech contest. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة. صدق الله العظيم. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most gorgeous. Ladies and gentlemen, in this good opportunity, I would like to give a speech on the life story of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Peace and solution be upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness into the brightness and guided us into the right way of life. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Makkah in 571 AD. The name of his father was Abdullah and the name of his mother was Amina. Muhammad was born after the death of his father. His mother also died when he was only 6 years old. After the death of his mother, Muhammad was brought up by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib and later on by his uncle Abu Talib.